Hello guys, welcome to the Doubtlet. So in this video, we are gonna learn how to use the variation of parameter method to solve the second order differential equation. We can solve this differential equation by another methods also, but here it is specifically given, so we will use this method only. So first of all, what we will do, we will just write the characteristic equation of this differential equation. So we can write this as m square minus m minus 2, and if we will factor this, it will become m minus 2 and m plus 1 is equal to 0. Then the value of m r. So we can write the m1 as minus 1 and m2 as 2. So if we will write the complementary solution of this characteristic equation, so it will be c1 e to the power minus x plus c2 e to the power 2x, where c1 and c2 are the constant of integration. Now we need to find, so we will compare this complementary solution by c1 y1 plus c2 y2. So from comparison, we can write y1 as e to the power minus x and y2 as e to the power 2x. So now we need to find the Wronskian of y1 comma y2, because in variation of parameter method we will need to find Wronskian. So Wronskian of y1 y2 is y1 y2 and y1 dash y2 dash. Then if we will write it here, then it will become e to the power minus x, e to the power 2x minus e to the power minus x and 2 e to the power 2x. So if we will solve this determinant, we can write w as, this will become 2 e to the power x minus plus, so it will become e to the power x. So basically it will become 3 e to the power x. Now we will find w1. So for w1 we will write 0 fx y2 and y2 dash. So if you will find the determinant, it will be minus of y2 multiplied by fx. So y2 is e to the power 2x and fx is, we can write it from here, that is e to the power 3x. So we can multiply it here. So this will become minus of e to the power 5x. Now similarly we will find w2. So w2 will be y1 dash, this will become 0, this will become fx. So y1 is e to the power minus x, this will become minus of e to the power minus x, this will become 0, this will become e to the power 3x. Now if we will solve this, what we will get? We will get e to the power 2x. So now to find the particular solution, we will write the format of u1 y1 plus u2 y2. So to find u1, what we need to do? So u1 dash is equal to w1 divided by w. So w1 from here we can write it as e minus times of e to the power 5x and w is 3 e to the power x. So we can write this as, one second. So w1 is minus of e to the power 5x and w is 3 e to the power x. So from here we can write this as minus e to the power 4x divided by 3. So this, and if we will integrate this both sides with respect to x, then we will get u1. So u1 we will get as minus e to the power 4x divided by 12. So this is u1. So now to find u2, so we will write u2 dash is equal to w2 divided by w. So w2 is e to the power 2x and w is 3 e to the power x. And if we will just integrate both sides, so it will become e to the power x divided by 3 dx. So basically from here we can just write u2 also. So u2 will be e to the power x divided by 3. Now to write the yp, we will write a u1. So u1 is minus of e to the power 4x divided by 12 multiplied by y1, that is e to the power minus x, plus u2 is e to the power x divided by 3 multiplied by e to the power 2x. So from here we can write yp as, this will be minus of e to the power 3x divided by 12 plus e to the power 3x divided by 3. So if we will solve this, we will take 12 as LCM. So it will become 4 minus 1, 3 times e to the power 3x. So we can write this as e to the power 3x divided by 4. So this is yp, and we have also find the yc here. This is yc. So now to write the general solution, we can write y is equal to complementary solution plus particular solution. So y is equal to, complementary solution is c1 e to the power minus x plus c2 e to the power 2x, and particular solution is e to the power 3x divided by 4. So this is the general solution, and we have found this by using variation of parameters method. So these are the formulas that I have written here. You have to just keep in mind that which method we have to use and how the process will be used in the step by step manner. So I hope you got the concept what I have delivered. So I hope you got the concept what I am trying to deliver. So if you like this video, please hit the like button below, comment on this video, give the feedback so that we can improve upon the quality and the content of the solutions and the questions that we are providing. And please share it with your friends so that they can also learn the basic concepts and give proper feedback. And in the end, if you want to ask any other doubt, then visit my website, that is, link is given below in the description, and you can also ask your doubt by posting them in the comment box below. Thank you very much.